Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths B. We started a discussion with the chapter Differential Equations. What did we learn? We started with the basics of how do we form a differential equation, then we found out the order and degree, then we started solving, then we did variable, separable, homogeneous, non-homogeneous methods, right? Fine. In the last session we learned how do we solve a non-homogeneous differential equation in two different ways. That is, for two different cases we solved it. That is, what was the first case? First case was, first thing we have to separate the coefficients, right? We have to compare the coefficients of a, b, c and a dash, b dash, c dash. Then we will check whether b is equal to minus a dash or not. If yes, we will solve using the first case, right? What was the second one? We will check whether a by a dash equal to b by b dash. Then we will do in the second method. Okay, let us mix all those and let us do few more problems of non-homogeneous functions today, right? Okay, look at the question here. He gave 2x plus y plus 3 into dx is equal to y plus x plus 1 into dy. So what is the first step we have to do here? We have to write it in the form of dy by dx equal to some function, right? So we have to write it in the form of dy by dx is equal to 2x plus y plus 3 by x plus 2y plus 1. Yes, now check whether till now you have you got an experience how do we write for first case and second case, right? So I will not write any coefficients here. Just check whether these both are same. No, here it is 1 and here also it is 1, but actually our case 1 deals with only one, b is equal to minus a dash. So first case is ruled out. What about second one? 2 by 1, 1 by 2. Again it is also not possible. So the left out is our third case, since it is nothing like b is not at all equal to minus a dash and a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Then we have to go to our third case. How do we solve it? Just put small x is a capital X plus h, small y equal to y plus k. Is it? So what will be my dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but small dx dy by dx. So instead of this, let us substitute this. Instead of these all x and y terms, let us substitute these terms. Done. So this is dy by dx is equal to 2 into x plus h plus y plus k plus 3 by x plus h plus 2 into y plus k plus 1. So let us separate all the terms together. This will be 2x plus y plus 2h plus k plus 3 divided by x plus 2y plus h plus 2k plus 1. I already told, whenever we get this kind of thing, make sure that the constants are zeros, right? That is, we have to make sure this non-homogeneous equation as homogeneous only when these constants are zeros. Right, now you have to find the value of h and y, h and k, such that 2h plus k plus 3 should be 0 and h plus 2k plus 1 should be 0. So what is that we have to do here? We have to solve these two equations to find the value of h and k. Is it? So let us multiply 2 to first equation. What do we get? 2 2s are 4h plus 2k plus 6 is equal to h plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Subtract them. Cancel. 4 minus h, 4h minus h is 3h plus 5 is equal to 0. Is it? So the value of h is minus 5 by 3. Either substitute this value in one of the things, or else you can directly simplify and you want to get one more term. Okay, or else let us multiply 2 with the equation second. So 2h plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Here 2h plus 4k plus 2 is equal to 0. 2h plus 4k plus 2. Subtract. K minus 4k is minus 3k. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, k ka value is minus 1 by 3. We got the values of h and k values, so that if you substitute those values, my dy by dx will become as 2x plus y by x plus 2y. Is it? So, is it homogeneous or not? Yes, it is homogeneous. So, what can we do from here? We can directly use our homogeneous method. Is it clear? Yes or no? What did we do here? Just again tell me. We got a non-homogeneous equation to solve. We made it as homogeneous equation. How? By making these constants as zeros. We can't make direct constants as zeros. That's why we have taken just two terminals, that is x equal to x plus h and y equal to y plus k. So that after substituting, simplifying, we'll make sure that these constants are 0, so that we'll get some values of h and k. We'll substitute these values at last. Is it? So now let us put y equal to vx and simplify it. Is it? Fine. If y equal to vx, so I can write dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, right. Now this is a equation, so v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 2x plus vx by x plus 2vx, right. Now let us take x common. X dv by dx is equal to, if I take x common, I will be left with 2 plus v plus 1 plus 2v minus v. Is it right? Here it is 2 plus v, here 1 plus 2v minus v. Yes. Now let us take LCM and simplify this. X dv by dx is equal to 2 plus v, LCM is 1 plus 2v, right. Here 2 plus v minus v minus 2v square, minus v minus 2v square. Clear? So let us subtract these both. I will be left with 2 minus 2v square by 1 plus 2v. Okay. Now cross multiply. 1 plus 2v by 2 minus 2v square is equal to dx by x. So how do we integrate this? First check, 2 ka differentiation is 0, minus 2v square ka differentiation is 2v. So we can separate these both terms. So let me take 2 common here. Now we have to integrate this. How do we integrate? Just tell me 1 plus 2v by 1 minus c square. So we can do it by partial fractions. Let us split this 1 minus v square as 1 plus v into 1 minus v, right. So 1 plus 2v by 1 plus v into 1 minus v dv is equal to 2 dx by x. Okay. Now let us just do partial fractions for this. Consider 1 plus 2v by 1 plus v, 1 minus v is equal to a by 1 plus v, b by 1 minus v, right. Now let us take LCM, so we will get it as 1 plus 2v is equal to a into 1 minus b plus b into 1 plus v. However, these both will cross multiply, these both will get cancelled. So 1 plus 2v is equal to, or else let me directly put v equal to 1. Put v equal to 1, I will get it as 1 plus 2 is equal to b into 2. Therefore, b will be 3 by 2. Is it? What if I put v equal to minus 1? I will get it as 1 minus 2 is minus 1, here minus 1, and here 1 plus 1, this is 2a. Therefore, a is minus 1 by 2. So let us directly substitute these values in this and directly integrate it. So what do we get here? Instead of a, we will put it as minus 1 by 2 integral dv by 1 plus v plus 3 by 2 integral dv by 1 minus v, that is equal to integral dx by x, right. So, just see here minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus v, here 1 by 1 minus v ka integration is log 1 minus v, but instead of x we have 1 minus v. So, if we differentiate it, we will get it as minus 1, that is why I have put directly minus 1 here, log 1 minus v, that is equal to log x, right. Now, if I take minus common, minus 1 by 2 common and send that side, I will get it as log 1 plus v, right. Here log 1 minus c v plus log 1 minus v, there is 3 also here. Okay, let me write cube directly here. Okay, and the next, that is equal to minus 2 log x, minus 2 log x plus c. Is it okay? So, let us simplify this. Log a plus log b, that is 1 plus v into 1 minus v cube, that is equal to log x power minus 2 into c. Let me write it as log c. Is it okay? So, log you remove it, you will get it as 1 plus v into 1 minus v whole cube is equal to c by x square, that is nothing but 1 plus y by x, 1 minus y by x whole cube is equal to c by x square. Now, take LCM, x plus y by x, x minus y by x whole cube is equal to c by x square. Now, here 1x will get cancelled, then x plus y into x minus y whole cube into 1x is left, here x square is left, yes or no. Here we will have cube 1x, therefore, the left out is cx square, some other constant c dash if you want you can put, right. Did you understand? This is how we will solve a basic non-homogeneous differential equation. What did we do here? First we will start with, first we will check the question and check whether it is first case or not, then we will check for second case, then if nothing is possible, then we will directly go for third thing, we will just substitute x is equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k, okay. Then after substituting, we will simplify in such a way that we have to make sure that this constants is 0. For that condition, we will get the values of h and k, right. And the next we have to make it as a homogeneous function, right. We are making it as 0, so it will be a homogeneous differential equation. Then again by solving normal method, that is our homogeneous method, then we will directly get our solution. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. Let us move on to the next question of this non-homogeneous differential equation. Look at the next question here. He gave solve x minus y minus 2 dx plus x minus 2y minus 3 dy equal to 0. So, first step is we have to write it in the form of dy by dx equal to some function, okay. So, first let us take this dx that side. So, what do we get? X minus 2y minus 3 dy is equal to minus of x minus y minus 2 dx, is it? So, let us write dy by dx as minus x plus y plus 2 by x minus 2y minus 3, is it okay? Now, check whether b is equal to minus a dash, no it is not. Second condition, a by a dash, b by d dash, this is minus 1 and this is minus 1 by 2. So, obviously, it is not a first case or a second case. So, directly we can go to the third case. Just put small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k, isn't it? So, obviously, we will get dx by dy by dx is d capital Y by d capital X is equal to minus of x plus h plus y plus k plus 2 by x plus h minus 2 into y plus k minus 3, is it? Now let us simplify this. Minus x plus y minus h plus k plus 2 divided by x minus 2y plus h minus 2k minus 3. This is dy by dx. Is it fine? So, the main thing you have to check correctly: minus x plus y minus h plus k plus 2, x minus 2y plus h minus 2k minus 3. Now, what is that we have to do? We have to make this non-homogeneous function as homogeneous. How? By making these constants as zeros. So, we will get minus h plus k plus 2 is equal to 0 and h minus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, right. Just add those both, will get both h cancelled. This is minus k, this is minus 1. So, I will get k is equal to minus 1. Is it right? Here k minus 2k is minus k, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. I will get k as minus 1. Just substitute it here. What do I get? Minus h minus 1 plus 2. Therefore, the value of h is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. If this whole h goes that side, I will get the value of h as 1. Is it right? Do you understand till here? Good. Next, we have made these two constants as zeros. So, what will be our dy by dx? Our dy by dx is minus x plus y by x minus 2y. Is it homogeneous? So, our normal way of solving it, y equal to vx. So, what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus x plus vx by x minus 2vx, right. And the next, if I take x common there, what do I get? Minus 1 plus v. Here I will get it as 1 minus 2v, thus v will go that side. Is it right? Minus 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v. Is it? Now let us take LCM. X dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2v minus 1 plus v minus 2 minus plus 2v square. These both will get cancelled. Okay. Now, therefore, we will be left with 2v square minus 1 by 1 minus 2v. This is x dv by dx. Now, to cross multiply, 1 minus 2v by 2v square minus 1 is equal to dx by x. Is it right? Now, let us directly integrate it. How do we integrate? Let us separate this. 1 by 2v square minus 1 dv minus 2 into v by, or else let me write minus 2v together, by 2v square minus 1, that is equal to dx by x. Just see here, 1 by 2v square minus 1. How do we integrate this? First, we have to make v square coefficient of 1, and again you remember the standard functions, right. 1 by 2 integral 1 by v square minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by root 2 whole square. Is it? Here 2v square ka integration is minus 4v. So, let us multiply and divide by 2. I will get it as integral minus 4v by 2v square minus 1 dv, that is equal to integral dx by x. Is it? This is, once again check here, 1 by 2 1 by v square minus a square, that is x square minus a square formula. Here f dash x by f of x. Why? 2v square ka integration is 4v only, so we need not put minus there. 2v square ka differentiation is 4v, so f dash x by f of x. So, let me do it directly. 1 by 2, here 1 by x square minus a square formula, what is it? That is 1 by 2a log 1 by 2a log x plus a by x minus a, right, that is a plus x by a minus x, a plus x by a minus x minus half f dash x by f of x, that is log of 2v square minus 1, that is equal to log x plus log c. Is it okay? So, Let us simplify this. We will get it as 1 by 4 root 2 log 1 plus root 2v by 1 minus root 2v minus half log 2v square minus 1 is equal to log xc. Okay. Now let us simplify this. What do we get? If I take 1 by 2 common, we will be left with some more terms here, is it? So let me put here like that only and simplify the remaining 2 terms. Let us send this that side. That will be 1 by 4 root 2 log of 1 plus root 2v by 1 minus root 2v is equal to log xc plus half log 2v square minus 1, right. LCM is 2 here. Let me write 2 here and send this to this side. Can I write like that? Yes, right. So this will be log xc whole square. Now log a plus log b, 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, 1 by 2 root 2 log of 1 minus root 2b by 1 plus root 2v. Okay. So this will be log xc whole square into 2v square minus 1, right. Multiply this side or else simplify in such a way that you will get this 1 by root 2 that side. You can simplify. Now let us directly substitute what is v here. V is nothing but y by x. Let us substitute it there, 1 by 2 root 2 log of y by x. This will be x minus root 2y, right. Here x plus root 2 y, that is equal to log xc whole 2y square minus x square divided by x square. Is it clear? If you want to simplify more, you can, but just directly substitute what is x here. X is nothing but x plus h, right. So let us substitute capital X equal to x minus h. What is the value of h here? 1, and capital Y equal to y minus k, that is y plus 1. Is it clear? Just substitute these values here, that will be our final solution. Is it clear? Did you understand? This is how we will solve a non-homogeneous differential equations, right. What did we do here? The main thing you have to remember is first convert it into dy by dx form, then check whether it is homogeneous or not. Yes, it is not homogeneous. How? There are already constants here, so it is obviously not a homogeneous differential equation, right. Next, we have to check whether the two conditions are satisfied. The first condition is check whether the b is equal to minus a dash or not. If yes, then you can directly do it in our case 1 term. Then what about the second condition? Check whether a by a dash is equal to b by b dash. If it is satisfied, we can directly do by substituting this numerator, right. If both the conditions are failed, directly we will go into our third case. Just we will substitute x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k and simplify in such a way that after that we will remove these constants. Then it is directly converted into pure homogeneous differential equation. Then again we will solve it and finally substitute the left out variables. Clear? Then we will get everything in terms of small x and small y, that is which are in the actual variables given in the question. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of differential equation. Thank you.